All right, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're gonna do some Lloyd's baby back ribs and have some potato salad with it. And we're gonna try this in the NuWave, so we'll be right back.
Welcome back to my kitchen, everybody. Don't be looking at my shirt. Anyway, we're doing the Lloyd's ribs. These guys are already pre-cooked.
Yes.
We looked on the internet. We couldn't find any for the NuWave that were pre-cooked. Everybody was doing the raw ones, and they're cooking them for, I don't know, 30 minutes on each side for them to work in a NuWave. So we couldn't find anybody on YouTube that was doing the Lloyd's.
The already pre-cooked.
Already pre-cooked in a NuWave. So we saw some other ones that were in a hot pot, whatever they call those things.
Instant pot.
Instant pot.
Yeah, yeah.
And he was going to do 7 on one side and 3 on the other. Yeah. We don't have an Instant Pot. We got a NuWave. Mm-hmm. So we're going to do, I say, 8 minutes on each side.
I like it.
All right?
I'm down.
All right. So here we go. Let's see what we got in here. It's going to be a mess, probably.
Distractions. Glare.
Glare.
And besides, I had it sideways. You have to be like all turning your head to read it. Ooh, it's going to be messy.
Did I cut low enough?
Did you?
I never do. Oh, I did. All the way down. Oh, I did good.
Right on.
Scissors.
Should already have that.
Scissors now. We don't want to touch those anymore. Get over there. All right. Get these babies out of there.
Oh, look at all the juicy juice.
They are juicy.
Oh, yeah. That one guy warned us that there was going to be a lot of juice. The Instant Pot guy.
Okay.
He said there's so much juice you don't even got to worry about what's still in the bag.
All right.
Juicy.
All right. There we go. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut them up with my knife. Woo!
All
Man,
right.
I'm going to be making a mess. Let's go ahead and...
We'll be right back.
Right back. Ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa, okay.
All right.
Be nice with the knife, man.
All right. So we're going to cut it. The whole thing obviously won't fit in there, and you can't bend it and turn. So I don't know if I could do 2 side by side. Probably not. Let's do 3.
Okay.
I don't know. Let's try this. Where do I cut it at? Right here.
Oh yeah, that looks like a good break.
That's a small one.
I got mine. Maybe we should cut it in 4s, or?
Trying to find another place to cut it at.
Oh, gotcha. Looks good.
Let's try this side.
Mm-hmm. So that'll be the challenge, is just finding good breaks to cut.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. But they're there. You just gotta.
All right, so I'm gonna do bone sides down. Man, I wish I could get some of this stuff off of there.
Oh.
And put it over here.
Like I see what you mean. And you might want to do that, folks.
Yeah, it had a whole bunch on the bottom side, but we need some up there too.
Yeah, man.
All right, I don't know what happened there, but we fixed that. We'll go ahead and put this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. There's one.
Uno.
This guy's got a whole bunch on top.
Oh.
What is that? A big old bone or something? I don't know.
How are we gonna fit the last one?
What do we got? We'll figure it out. We're gonna get him in there. All right, move that guy's stuff around that way.
Oh, it
Put
smells
this guy that
so
way.
good. If only you guys could get the smell-o-vision going. Oh my God. Lloyd's is one of my favorites. They make barbecue beef and pulled pork and chicken and stuff, and apparently they make ribs.
And these gloves come in handy.
Ooh,
all right, there we go. See, look at that. No problem.
It's like you murdered a rack of ribs.
We kind of move them in so we don't have to touch the plastic.
Like the crime scene.
All right, I think I'm done. Oops.
Ooh, oh, I won't show that.
Let's get this stuff off. Ooh, gnarly.
Yeah, it is.
All right.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, welcome back to the kitchen. We got baby back ribs in there from Lloyd's.
Yeah, we got the dome on for our new one.
So all we're going to do here is we're going to do time cook.
Yep.
And this thing only goes up to 350. That's it.
Yeah, it
so
doesn't let us
we can't do anything but go low. We can't go high. Everything else is 375 or whatever. We're just going to cook it at 350.
Yeah.
I think we talked about 8 minutes.
Yep.
I think we just have to hit 8.
Yep.
And start.
You got it, so.
We'll be back.
We'll be back, folks.
All right, we got 8 minutes in. 8 minutes. Ready? Let's see how much smoking we got here. Lots of steam. Ready? Ready?
How's it looking? Ooh.
All right. So what do you think? Do you think they're hot enough? Should we do
I
some
don't know,
more?
because it looks like it's already kind of browning here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's doing a pretty good job of it, so.
All right. It smells good.
It does.
So do you think we should flip them over now? And
Or
8
do we
minutes?
want to turn them?
Nah, we want to do the other side.
Okay, yeah. Let's flip them.
All the heat comes from the top on the NuWave.
You're right, you're right.
So let's see, what can we use to flip them? We got something good in here. We got these ones or these ones. Which one should we do? Vote in the video. Let me
Yeah,
know
in the
which ones
comments.
I should use.
Which ones do you like better?
You know what? I can't wait for you guys.
Or...
I'm going to use these ones.
You dork. Besides, we use the other ones to clean things. Remember? Things.
Okay. I still might, do a little bit more on the other side. I'm not sure.
We've never done this
ruled
before.
that out yet.
Yeah, because maybe 8 and 8 isn't enough, but we're going to start with that.
Yeah.
Because you can't...
I don't want to be putting up some bad information on the internet,
Because that never happens.
No. Oh, no, I made a mess. Look at that.
Oh,
Clean up
my
on that
sauce!
one. I'm going to have to get a paper towel. Oh, you did pretty good.
I used my fingernail like a scoop.
All right.
That's yummy. If you've ever had Lloyds, I'm telling you right now, I don't work for them, but I used to work for a place that sold their food. And it's just really yummy, okay? Yummy. We used to have Lloyd's barbecue at Togo's. They had the yummy barbecue beef, but they ain't got that no more. Oh, you only live in my memories and my dreams now. And in my NuWave.
All right, here we go. Now we're going to do another 8.
Here we go.
Ready? Time cook.
Time.
8. Start.
All right. See you soon.
Welcome back to our kitchen. All right, 8 minutes on each side is up.
Yep, yep.
Let's see what we got. They were sizzling. I saw them sizzling.
Ooh.
Whoa. Woo.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm hot.
Okay, that one looks done, which is fine because that one's mine. What do you think of these other ones? Like, do you think the bones themselves are...
I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I should just... Because like I said, they've already been pre-cooked. We just have to heat them up.
Yeah.
And we're still getting this NuWave stuff, trying to figure this out. We're
We
not
are.
all that NuWave professional ever.
Well, we're trying to be. NuWavers.
I don't know, man. The bottom looks... Should we do the bottom twice and the top just once? Should we do any more to the top? Should we call it quits? Should we say it's all heated up? That's got some... That looks like it's already done.
Yeah? But like you said earlier, though, will they be cooked all the way through?
I mean, do we want some more darkness on the top?
Kinda. Because I liked how pretty that looks.
You're into that kind of darkness on the top? Kind of cooked it? More burnt it or whatever? I like it.
Should we cook it a little more on each side?
I just turn it over. You see it? See, now is that burned? It's not too burned, right?
Nah.
I don't know. I think we should do the top just a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, baby says so too. She's like, rah, rah.
Well, I got a little mop I just pulled off the side of that one.
Maybe we should eat that and see how it tastes.
Oh, got a bald spot over there.
Oh,
now.
no.
Hey, where'd you go? Let's get back over there where you belong.
You.
Wait.
I think you dropped
I'll
it.
put you on top.
Ah.
All right.
What is that?
I don't know. I think I want to do the top just for the heck of it. And I'm sure it's done.
Yeah.
It's definitely done because they're already cooked.
Yeah.
We're just reheating them. All right. I'm going to do them for, I don't know. What do you think? About, let's say, we'll call it done in 5 minutes or 4 minutes?
I think 5 more minutes.
All right.
I want it a little crispy. I like my ribs crispy.
Leave a comment. What do you think I should do?
Yeah, leave a comment.
Wait, it's too, I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and do what I'm going to do.
Okay.
5 more minutes on the top. All right, so here's what we did. We did 8 on the top, 8 on the bottom. And then we flipped them back over and we did 5 more minutes on the top. So that's a total of 16 plus 4 if you can do the math. I can't.
21.
There you
21
go.
minutes total because we're going to do 5 more minutes. Yeah.
All right.
Cool. See you soon.
Welcome back to our kitchen. All right, so we did 8 on each side and then we did 5 more on the top. We're done. Now I'm going to try to cut these up.
They look so pretty.
Somehow.
We're going to plate it up. And we'll show you how they look.
All right, there it is. It's going to be naughty. There's no greens. So
Yeah, we're being bad today.
we're just going to do bad dinner tonight. It's we good. And just know it.
Yep.
Should I try it?
Try it. I tried a little smidgen. I thought it was great.
It's falling out the bone.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. So, that's perfect. So it is cooked through.
Wow, it's
Awesome.
Tastes
All
awesome, too.
right. Sweet. So, folks, it's official. It only took us 21 minutes.
Yep, 8 and 5.
Yep.
So anyone that's doing on a NuWave, 8 and 5 if they're Lloyds, already cooked baby back ribs.
So good.
So good. All right. Sorry, I got to talk with my muffle. We're going to go eat these up. Thanks for watching our silly videos. Please give us a thumbs up. It helps. Maybe we'll get up to the 1,000 someday subscribers. Who knows?
Someday.
Probably never. All right. You guys stay safe. Wash your hands. Later.
See ya.